Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a way to add a huge boost of umami flavor to your food? I want to show you this organic miso. So this organic miso is from Hikari and it is delicious. It has a really nice fermented flavor. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit salty, and it just has this really delicious earthiness to it. So if you love miso, this is a really great option. So I love to use this in soups, of course. You can make just regular miso soup, or I like to add it to a ramen broth, and it just adds this really nice depth of flavor. So it's really a time saver because you add a little bit of this and it tastes like you've been cooking it all day. So if you're looking for a high quality miso paste, then I would definitely check out this organic white miso paste from Hikari. It's so delicious. I've been so happy with adding it to all different dishes. You're gonna love it too. That's my point of view.